Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here are our CVS couponing breakdowns for the week of February 9th to February 15th. So it's going to be a really good week at CVS next week. And we all are expecting to receive a $10 off of $30 for select items at the Red Box Coupon Center. So hopefully you guys checked out my video on what's going on with the Red Box Center. And a lot of you guys did reply to that. So some of you guys are saying that you are getting new machines at your store. So I'm really glad to hear that. And I did go to my store and she said, no, they're not getting rid of the red box. It's just another option. Just in case you don't want to use the red box, you can use your app. So we always had that in our app, but they just added more things to the app. Just in case, let's say you lose a CRT or something along those lines, you will not have to call customer service anymore. Everything will be in your app. So yeah, guys, let's jump into these deals. Okay, so the first deal is going to be on Garnier Face Care. They're going to be on a promotion for buy two, get a $5 extra buck. So you're going to pick up one of the micellar wipes for $7.59. And you're going to pick up one of the clean makeup wipes for $6.99. You're going to use a $2 off micellar product CRT, making the total $12.58, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $7.58 for both of them, or $3.79 each. So we do not have any manufacturer's coupons for this, but this deal is going to get better at the end. So L'Oreal Elvive this week is spend $15, get a $5 extra buck, and they're on sale too for $8. So you're going to pick up 4 of them for $16. You're going to use the 4 off of 2 from our 119 RMN, as well as a 4 off of 2 from our 29 RMN. So those are 2 different coupons, because remember guys, those coupons are a limit of 1. So the total works out to $8, but you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to $3 for all of them, or 75 cents each. And what's great about both these deals is that they count towards beauty. So I combined the L'Oreal and the Garnier wipes together because we're all receiving a spend $30, get $10 off on selected items. So if you look on page 6, there's some items there. And then on the back of the ad, there's some items there. So Garnier and L'Oreal are part of the spend $30, get $10 off. So the total before coupons for all the products is going to be $30.58. So there goes that. I spent the $30 that we needed before coupons. And remember guys, you cannot use this with any other threshold coupons. So the total after coupons is going to be $20.58. You're going to use that 10 off of 30 instant coupon. And again, it's printing out for all of us on Sunday the 9th. And you have until the 15th to print that out. So the total works out to $10.58. But you're going to get back $10 in extra bucks. So you get back $5 for the L'Oreal Elvive. And you get back $5 for the Garnier Facial Care. Also, we will be receiving $3 for hitting beauty, because every $30 that you spend on beauty, you get a $3 beauty buck. So this works out to be after extra bucks, and after the beauty bucks we get back within 48 hours. Everything works out to be free, plus a $2.42 moneymaker. Now, I do have another scenario for you guys using that $10 off of a $30 purchase for selected items. So the first item is going to be Garnier Whole Blend. So this deal is not giving back any extra bucks, but it will be on sale too for $7. You're going to use one of the 4 off of 2 coupons from our 29 RMN, making the total $3. Garnier Fructis is also included in this week's deals, so they're going to be on sale too for $7. It's not giving back any extra bucks as well, but you're going to use one of the 4 off of 2 coupons from our 29 RMN, making the total $3. So for this scenario, using the $10 off of a $30 purchase, I'm going to get Garnier products as well as the L'Oreal. So we're going to look at Whole Blends, Garnier Fructis, and L'Oreal Elvive. So you're going to pick up 4 of the L'Oreal for $16, because remember guys, they're 2 for $8. And when you spend $15, you get a $5 extra buck. So that's the only deal on here that's going to give back an extra buck. You're going to pick up 2 of the Whole Blends on sale too for $7. And 2 of the Garnier Fructis on sale too for $7. So the total before coupons is going to be exactly $30. So we met the $30 mark that we needed to spend before coupons. You're going to use the 4 off of 2 L'Oreal coupon from our 119 RMN, as well as the 4 off of 2 L'Oreal from our 29 RMN. You're going to use one of the 4 off of 2 whole blends coupon from our 29 RMN and the other $4 off 2 for Garnier Fructis in the same insert. So the total works out to $14 after coupons. You're going to use that 10 off of 30 instant coupon. Again, that's printing out for all of us at the red box, making the total $4, but we're going to get back $5 in extra bucks for the L'Oreal Vibe deal, because remember guys, to spend 15, get 5, and the other deals are not giving back any extra bucks, but they do count towards beauty. So we will get back a $3 beauty buck for hitting beauty because we spent $30 in shampoo and conditioner. So it makes this whole scenario free plus a $4 moneymaker after the $5 in extra bucks and the beauty bucks that we'll receive within 48 hours. The next deal is going to be on NYX lip products. So they're going to be on a promotion for buy 2, get a $10 extra buck. And they're going to be on sale 2 for $11.98. So you're going to use a 3 off of 10 NYX CRT. There's no manufacturer coupons for the NYX products, making the total $8.98, but you're going to get back a $10 extra buck. So this works out to be free plus a 102 moneymaker. Now the next deal is going to be on Eucerin. So Eucerin will be on promotion once again next week for spend 20, get a $10 extra buck. So you're going to pick up one of the Skin Calming 8 ounce for $9.79. And you're going to pick up one of the Daily Hydration 8 ounce for $10.79. So the total before coupons is going to be $20.58. You're going to use 2 of the $3 off 1 coupons from our February 2nd Smart Source. Now, if you have a CRT for lotion like a 350 off 10 or something along those lines, definitely plug it into this deal to lower your out-of-pocket. So the total works out to $14.58, but you're going to get back a $10 extra buck. So this works out to $4.58 for both of them, or $2.29 each. And what's great about both these deals is that they count towards beauty. Nivea lotion is on a promotion next week for buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. So we're going to pick up 2 of the Rich Body Lotions for $4.99 each, making them $9.98. Now you can pick any Nivea lotion you want to, but these are the ones we're going to concentrate on because these are the ones that are low in price. So you're going to use 2 of the $2 off 1 coupons from our February 2nd Smart Source. We also had coupons available on coupons.com. So the total works out to $5.98. And if you guys have a lotion CRT, definitely plug it into this deal to lower your out-of-pocket. But we get back a $5 extra buck. So it works out to 98 cents for both of them, or 49 cents each. Now the next deal is going to be on Gillette and Venus. So they're going to be on a promotion for buy 2, get an $8 extra buck. So you're going to pick up one of the Gillette Mach 3 razors for $9.29. And you're going to pick up one of the Venus Comfort Glides for $12.99. So the total before coupons is going to be $22.28. You're going to use one of the 4-for-1 Gillette from our February P&G and one of the $4 off 1 Venus from the same insert. I have a 5 off of 20 Shave CRT. Now, if you have a 3 off of 12 or something along those lines, you can definitely plug it into this deal. So after the 5 off of 20, it works out to $9.28. But you're going to get back an $8 extra buck. So it works out to $1.28 for both of them, or 64 cents each. Now, if you guys have a 3 off of 12, you can definitely pick up 2 of the Gillette Mach 3 razors for $9.29. And you'll have basically a money maker there, using 2 of the $4 off coupons from our February P&G. Remember guys, those coupons are a limit of 2 for each of them. So really good deal on Gillette and Venus razors next week. Now the last deal for next week is going to be on the Burt's Bees toothpaste. They're going to be on a promotion for buy 1, get a $2 extra buck. And this deal is a limit of 2. So they will be on sale for $4.99. You can use the $2 off 1 coupon that's coming out in our 29 RMN, making the total $2.99, but you're going to get back a $2 extra buck. So it works out to be 99 cents after extra bucks. And also included in this deal, I believe, is the twin pack for Crest. So keep an eye on that because it says we are supposed to be receiving a digital coupon for that because the ones from our February P&G already expired. So keep an eye on that if you wanted to grab something like that, or if you want to grab the Burt's Bees. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. In my Get Ready With Me video tonight, I'll basically have more deals for you guys. This is just like the most important deals, but it all depends on my CRTs that I do get at night, and then I'll show you guys that, and then we'll go in store the next day, and then I'll show you guys my haul. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.